and welcome back to Elijah Films. I'm gonna let the video roll on though because I had to cut and edit some stuff out. So now I'm recording off of my guitar case. So I ordered a new phone. This isn't the phone's box. This is a black iPhone 3G box. Ordered this. Came from St. Augustine, Florida. Took about a week, and if y'all remember, it's been about 5 days since the 14th, and that was the day that I ended the iPhone 4S challenge, and I never actually got to make a video about that, and it was actually, I could live with it. I almost didn't want to go back, but I did, because I just remembered that I had a YouTube channel, and I wanted to keep the best quality I could keep, so I went back to my 6. Let's just see if we can attempt to open this, because I really... God, hold on a second. Yeah, it tore apart the person who shipped it to me's address and my address, and also turned it up. So first off, y'all can get in a first point of view type thing, where as soon as I open it, you guys will see what I'm seeing instead of it being turned sideways like this, where you can't see what's going on. So. And the video would be a bit better quality if I was recording in my normal place. Okay, so you open it up, and here it is. Here's this packaging here. So we have a whole bunch of bubble wrap. So the person did wrap this quite well to make sure that nothing would happen. So it's wrapped in a whole lot of very big bubble wrap. And you go on ahead and you open this up, and it has paper towels and a Ziploc baggie. So this person did do a very, very good job. This is a actual Apple block, and I do not believe, yeah, this is not an official 30-pin connector, but it's another one that I do desperately need, because I'm going to be having multiple iPhones now. So here's the phone. See, opening it up, here is the iPhone 3G that I ordered. Let's see if it is the same one. It is the same one that was in the eBay ad, because of this scuff mark here. The button does work fine though, which is great. And you can tell this is a 3G, 16 gig, because of its gray text here. I've never owned a white 3G before, so this is pretty new. That's why I was saying, because there would be a difference. Because, you know, they had black boxes for the black 3Gs, so it doesn't really match. But there's always room for new. So let's see if it'll boot. And we have an Apple logo. The screen actually does look pretty good. I'll go grab my iPhone 3GS as a point of reference. Here, down at my computer in my normal spot, so there might be a little extra noises here. But here's my iPhone 3GS. And it has iOS 4.1 on here, so. And it appears that this phone actually has a SIM card in it. So I'll actually pop that. So I checked, and it has a Go phone SIM card in here. Oh, good lord. It has a Go phone SIM card. So just to be safe and make sure there are no numbers or anything showed, at least of this other person's, I'm going to take a SIM card adapter, and I'm going to put my SIM card in here. Good lord, come on, where is it? Okay. Just go ahead and place that in there. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. So it does show one of my bars. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug it in. Okay, it's charging. It's popping up iPhone over here. Let's see what'll happen. Okay, so I'll disconnect and then reconnect. Okay, then I will pop in the Go phone SIM card just to test and see if it was my SIM card. And now it suddenly says no service again. Accessing iTunes is doing something different now. There we go. So it was my SIM card. So it is running iOS 4. Unfortunately. I guess fortunately though. I guess we'll check which one. General. About. What? Out. 4.2.1, it is running its oldest version. So we will set up as a new iPhone. Continue. Yes. Automatic sync content. Whatever. I don't really care right now. Come on. Sync in progress. Because I am going to be doing that. I do have an older version of iTunes. Mainly because I am going to be downgrading this to iOS 2.0. So. Or not 2.0, but 2.1. Come on. So I do not have my SIM card in here, which is good. I'm going to open this to make sure. Okay. So we got that. And it doesn't really matter right now what I do. So downgrading this. So what we want to do is, if I can remember, because I'm going to try and do this out of memory. It's been a little while since I watched the video. Where is red snow? There is red snow. And we're going to hit browse. And I am going to go back and watch the video and make sure. Big shout out to the iDevice archive for this video. So I already did, which I used it to downgrade the 3GS already. So I've already downgraded it to iPhone OS 2, and you can tell right there because that says SMS. And if I pulled up something like iOS 4 on the 3GS, there is no SMS. And they got rid of the SMS logo like this and went to this kind of logo with iOS or iPhone OS 3. So as you can see, it now has 2.1, and I'm pretty sure in the beginning of the video I showed off that it had 4.2.1. So now it has 2.1, and which is pretty cool. And then also, if you don't believe me, movement is a little more fluid on iOS 4, like that. Okay, so like that, and then so I open up settings. Everything's just a little bit different. So, and they still move pretty much the same. So, and then probably the biggest thing though is the dock. There is the big change there. So, pretty cool. So now I have an iPhone 3G running its original firmware, and I was looking and stuff because I've never actually used iOS or iPhone OS 2 before, and it was really cool because I checked out the wallpapers, and check this out. Look at all these different wallpapers. They have paintings. So like they have this one, famous painting. They have the Mona Lisa. Pretty crazy. And then they also have some ones from more current versions like that. Then the iconic thing, which is on iOS 11, they brought back. That one is still on iOS 6, if I'm not mistaken. And then I think that one's also on iOS 6, not this, but that, the face. And so it's just really cool. Plenty of things. I might do a living with iOS 2 video. It's gonna be like bare bones though whenever I do, because the App Store, what is it actually gonna, yeah, see, the App Store does not work. Like, it doesn't work at all, so. And neither does the iTunes Store, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the iTunes Store doesn't work either, so. But otherwise, it's actually pretty cool. So now I have an iPhone 3G running on its original firmware that it shipped with. Well, I don't know if it actually shipped with 2.0, but I do have it on pretty much iPhone OS 2. So, which is probably its original firmware. Comment down below if you know. And then also, if you want a tutorial on how to downgrade this, also comment down below and I will do it. I will do a tutorial. But if you guys don't want a tutorial, then I won't do it. So just leave a like and comment and tell me if you want to see another one, and if you want to see some more tech and gaming videos and other things like that. Go on ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified with every time I post a video, click that bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And I guess I'll see you next time. Peace out.